Today I'm going to talk about the benefits of genetic testing. Often people will say to me, should I have genetic testing? I've read about it before, but I don't know if this is appropriate for me. They'll often have a family history of cancer, which is what makes them wonder if genetic testing is something that's important for them to have. Essentially, when we're performing a genetic test, we're identifying mistakes or mutations in our genes that can increase the chance of developing certain kinds of cancers. About 5 to 10% of all cancers have one of these mutations that results in the development of cancer. As a genetic counselor, it's my role to help identify people or families who could benefit from genetic testing and help suggest the most appropriate test for people based on their personal and family history of cancer. Ultimately, the goal of genetic testing is to find out if you have an increased chance to develop certain types of cancers, and then use that information to help identify how we can help reduce or even prevent the development of cancer. By reducing the development of cancer, we would have someone get increased screening or surgical changes that would help reduce the chance of developing certain types of cancer. In addition, having certain mutations can actually open up the door for having certain treatments that would not be available to them if we didn't know if they had a mutation. And these would be treatments that would help them treat their cancer. Since we do share genes with our family members, having a known mutation or knowing that you have a mutation in one of these genes can help other family members access genetic testing or genetic counseling that maybe wouldn't have otherwise had this type of counseling or testing otherwise. Essentially, as a genetic counselor, I know that this information can be overwhelming or a lot for people to digest when they're being told about this. But I think that it's my job to help you understand this information and make it meaningful for you. How can you use it for your health? How can you and your doctors work together with this information? And how can you share this information with your family? As a genetic counselor, I'll be there every step of the way to help answer questions and provide guidance for you about how this information can be useful for you.